So according to recent leaks from the popular tech leaker Jon Prosser, the upcoming iPhone Air 2, expected alongside the iPhone 18 family in early 2027, would offer much more than just being a thin phone. The biggest change, according to the details, is that Apple is finally fixing one of the original Air's most criticized weaknesses. The single camera setup is reportedly gone, replaced by a new dual camera system featuring a 48MP ultra-wide sensor. That means more versatility without sacrificing the sleek design that defined the Air series. Under the hood, the iPhone Air 2 is rumored to jump straight to Apple's A20 Pro chip built on an advanced 2nm process. If true, that should deliver better performance, improved efficiency, and lower heat outputs, something an ultra-thin smartphone desperately needs. And yes, Apple is apparently keeping the incredibly slim 5.6mm chassis, even with a secondary camera and a slightly larger battery. The company is said to be relying on a stronger titanium alloy frame to maintain durability and avoid bending concerns. On the front, the dynamic island could finally shrink thanks to a redesigned Face ID system, giving users a cleaner-looking display. Apple is also refreshing the color lineup with a new lavender finish, replacing the sky blue option from the first generation. But the real story here might be Apple's long-term vision. According to the leak, Apple doesn't see the Air as a niche experiment. The company's goal is reportedly to make this ultra-thin design the default iPhone experience by around 2028, eventually eliminating the traditional standard iPhone altogether. If that happens, Apple's feature lineup could become surprisingly simple: a thin everyday iPhone, performance-focused Pro models, and a foldable Ultra sitting at the top, which is a major shift from the lineup strategy we've known for years. For now, it's still firmly in rumor territory, but if these leaks prove accurate, the iPhone Air 2 could be the device that transforms Apple's entire smartphone roadmap, not just another yearly refresh.